Come on, here come the sellers.
Yeah, and
here come the sellers.
We're gonna go to 200 ticks. Okay, let's go.
Are you? You tell me when what level are you looking at right now?
Get on his level.
We're gonna sell all the way down.
Get on his level, bro.
We're just gonna go. Okay, just go, Michael. Just go.
Just go
until you make money more than $75. Where are you at right now?
Okay, more than. I'm at down $300.
Okay,
good. Yeah, let's go.
Keep holding. Keep holding. Keep holding. Don't stop. Okay, you're gonna go all the way down. Wow. Keep holding. Danny, I'm gonna make more than 4. Oh, keep holding, Michael. Keep holding, Michael. Keep holding.
Come on.
18K, 19, 20K. All right, sell half, Michael. Sell half.
Come on.
One on.
Okay, sell.
Come on, let's go.
I'm out. I'm up 800. That was
Come on.
Swing.
Yeah.
I sold it all. You're out. Come on.
Hey, let's fucking go.
Play with me.
Let's go.
Kick for tick.
Incredible.
Dude.
Oh my
God.
Let's never do it again. We are never doing that again. That was amazing.
That's why you sold.
I'm not doing that again. I'm not doing that again unless with Danny. Holy shit! Your car, your Ferrari is fast, buddy.
Tell him, Dannystrades. Tell him, Dannystrades. Holy shit!
I told you the Big Short, baby. They ain't believing us. God,
come on.
Look at you.
We are never doing that again. We are never doing that again. I hope you guys enjoyed that.
I'm going to keep doing that every day on live stream, baby. Because that's just how we rock.
Holy.
Come on.
Oh, my God.
What'd you make on that?
You got to have some balls to just hold, Michael. I tell you.
What'd you make on that? What'd you make on that?
$20,875 now.
Oh, bravo.
Bravo.
Yeah.